Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to take out summary on otter.ai. The first thing you want to do once on your otter.ai homepage, you're either going to tap on record and from there you could record your script, or you could tap on import and from there you could upload the file. So you can either choose to upload an MP3, MP4 or any one of these options. Once you have uploaded it, you're going to tap on home in the top left hand corner and you're going to select my conversations. From there, you can tap on the file name. After you have done that, you're going to tap on transcript and you'll be able to see the entire transcript. Then you're going to tap on summary, and more than likely you're not going to see the summary. So what I would recommend you do is refresh the page. After you have refreshed the page, you're going to see the summary. You're going to see action items, and you can also see an outline. Now, if you would like to copy the summary, you can do that by tapping on copy summary right here below the title, and you'll be able to copy the summary. You can also choose to share it if you want, so you could tap on share in the top right hand corner to share it. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.